What's something people don't know about the universe? Imagine if everything around you, even the tiniest atom, had a spark of consciousness. Intrigued? Let's dive into the mind-bending world of panpsychism. Panpsychism is a strange idea. It says consciousness is everywhere, in everything. Rocks, trees, even atoms have some tiny bit of awareness. This might sound crazy. We don't see rocks thinking or trees feeling, but panpsychism says this tiny consciousness is different from ours. It's not like humans with thoughts and feelings. It's more like a basic building block of the universe, present everywhere. This basic consciousness combines in complex ways to make our human experience. Think of it like atoms forming molecules. Subscribe for more. Hit like. Panpsychism challenges the usual ways we think about consciousness. Materialism says only matter exists and consciousness is just a product of the brain. Dualism, on the other hand, says mind and matter are totally separate things. Panpsychism offers a third way. Consciousness is a fundamental part of reality. Some scientists and philosophers like panpsychism because it solves a big problem. How does consciousness appear from non-conscious matter? If consciousness is already in the building blocks of the universe, this mystery disappears. It's not something that emerges, it's always there. Imagine a single electron. It's incredibly simple, just a tiny point of charge. But what if, in its own way, it experiences something? Maybe it doesn't see or hear like us, but perhaps it has its own simple form of experience, a basic awareness of being. Now imagine billions of electrons in your brain, each with this tiny spark of consciousness. Panpsychism says these combine to form your thoughts, feelings, experiences. It's like an orchestra. Each instrument plays a simple note, but together they create a beautiful symphony. If panpsychism is true, it changes everything. The universe isn't a cold, empty place. It's alive with experience, even in the smallest things. This doesn't mean we should start talking to our furniture, but it does encourage us to see the world differently, with more wonder and respect. Maybe there's much more to discover about the nature of consciousness, both in ourselves and in the world around us. Panpsychism invites us to explore these possibilities. It's a mind-bending idea, but one worth considering.